Hey guys, how's it going? Go back at you here with another video. Saturday morning. Went to Shopko, which I haven't been to in a long time, just to see what they had. They had a couple of things, but you know, their blasters are a couple of dollars higher than everybody else, but I wanted to check variety, see if they had any 2017 Prism or anything like that. And they had a couple of 2017 Panini blasters. And I know Bobby's opened quite a few of that stuff. So I went like everybody else recently, and I went Patrick Mahomes searching or hunting. And didn't find any Patrick Mahomes, but this is some of the better stuff I got. I got two of the blasters. They were on clearance, so I figured I'd try a couple. I got Evan Ingram base rookie. Got the Joe Mixon foil. I'm not sure if that's called Templar or what, but that is the foil Joe Mixon rookie. Got a numbered Jehu Chesson rookie out of 199. Got a Deshaun Watson base rookie and a Deshaun Watson the Rooks insert. Got a Leonard Fournette insert rookie card of Night School and the foil of Fournette, the Templar, I believe. And then the two hits were Kenny Golladay out of 1, which is nice. I already had this, of course, but still nice to get another PC hit. And then I got an auto out of the other one, which is nice. Rookie calligraphy, and it's James Conner. So that was pretty cool. Might try to get rid of that before Lev comes back here in a few weeks. But, yeah, I thought that was pretty decent for two blasters, on clearance especially. And then I have this huge package from 116 Box Breakers. So Mike and Joe. Huge pack for them. Yeah, I've gotten into a lot of their stuff, and they just been running a tab for me, and I decided now was the time to get it. And I have no idea what all is in this, because like I said, I've gotten a lot of stuff from them, and you can see the huge two big packs there. So I've kind of forgotten what all I have gotten. Okay. And that. Hope everybody's having a good start to their weekend. I do also have a huge pack of XR, Absolute, and Spectra hits coming in, about 40 to 50 of those cards. I also have a 2017 Prism retail box to open sometime this weekend. And then I do have a nice package from Ultra Pro that I want to open still. Holy cow, just tons and tons of stuff. I don't even know if all this I've gotten or if they're just sending me stuff or what. But either way, let's get cracking. So first, insert, these are green, Odell Beckham, Steve Young Legends of the Fall, all-time Gridiron Kings Emmett, Alex Smith. I don't believe I got a Don Russ box from them, but you never know. Sheriff Payton, top targets, Wes Welker, Legends of the Fall, James Harrison, Gridiron Kings Bortles, Emmanuel Sanders, top targets. A lot of Don Russ inserts. League leaders, Devontae Freeman, Cam Newton. Then the Gridiron Kings, Jerry Rice. That's an awesome card. Brown border. Lev Bell. Richard Sherman, aficionado. Flacco plus Lusney. Gabriel, Colston, McCoy. I do like the Gridiron King cards. I like the matte finish on them. The red border. DeAndre Hopkins. Shady McCoy. Insert. Peyton, Sammy, Tavon, Johnny Manziel, Frank Gore, Foster, Benchwater, Edelman, Lev, Steve Smith Sr., another red DeAndre Hopkins, Earl Campbell insert, nice little brown border, McCoy, Williams, Ware, Manning, and Gronk. Cool there. It has a Dodger on it. Nice. I'll hold off on that one for a second then. Looks like I see my man Cody B on there. He's got to get a hit in this series. He's 0 for 2 games right now. Do this one next. I have an Elite numbered. Alex Collins to 299. Some random rookie cards, it looks like. Charles Haley. Is that a throwback? Dotson, Nick O'Leary, Matt Jones. So I'm not sure if this was a division break or something. It just seems weird that I would get all these different kind of cards. Kobe. I probably got those. PC. Julio to 99. Nice. Love the colored Elite. Looks like here's more colored Elite than this one. It makes sense that if I would have gotten some Elite stuff that I would have bid on it. There's a Tyreek Hill to 99. Purple. Chris Paul green prism. Nice. Kevin Durant. Russell Westbrook insert. Klay Thompson. John Wall inserts. Brandon Ingram for the PC. That is a prism card. Cool. Silver prism. Waiters. That's a silver prism. Ike Anabagu. Not a prism. Those silver prisms are nice for the rookies. Darius Geis, Kamara, and John Kelly. Royce Freeman, Jalen Samuels, Cameron Payne, Jalen Strong, Derrick Henry rookie. 199 Josie Jewell rookie card. Cool. And Richard Sherman. Shout out to Cool Toads. At a 99. Whew, a lot of stuff. Like I said, I have no idea what I got, so I just love getting into people's auctions and supporting them. Blue boarded Deshaun Jackson. A Lenny Moore. Wow, super short print. 7 out of 10 on that Lenny Moore. That is cool. Forgot I got that one. Out of 125, Christian Kirk. These are the metal cards, the metal frame. That's nice. Shout out to AJG on that. Ooh, look at this nasty patch. 3-color nastiness. 72 of 75, DJ Moore. Shout out to Ruben Favela. This is cool. This is a Phillip Rivers patch. It's awesome. Game-used patch on that Phillip Rivers. And an Arden Key rookie auto for the Raiders. Shout out to Jimmy Guns and Aspen. Edelman blue frame. Adam Jones to 100. Mitchell Trubisky to 99. Nice. Bowl ticket. A Traquan Smith auto with Saints. Lamar Jackson, the National, at 399. And a Mark Andrews auto. Ooh, super, or a short print on that one. 5 out of 25 for the Ravens. Shout out to Card Dreamer. Nice. Mark Andrews is nice, especially with Hayden Hurst injured, unfortunately. Mark Andrews is playing a lot. Another one of these metal cards. Love these metal cards. They're just heavy. Christian Kirk. So that and that. 2 of the Christian Kirks out of 125. Only 123 left for the rest of you. Jonathan Isaac. Not a silver prism, but still cool. Frank Jackson. Josh Jackson. De'Aaron Fox. So 4 nice rookie cards there from Prism. O.J. Howard. Look at that. I want to say that's his beanie. I want to say that is the beanie here, but I'm not 100% sure. Still really awesome. I like these little Christmas ones, the Black Fridays. And short print out of 49, Chandler Jones. And a Deion Kane out of 175. Woo! Last pack from 116. Again, Mike and Joe. Make sure you follow them. I probably ended up getting a pack of... Well, it's kind of tight in there. Probably ended up getting a pack or 2 of Contenders. Or I won it. I don't have no idea. Sue was originally with the Lions, so we'll put that in the PC. Leonard Fournette, cool. Mac Brown, Colt McCoy, and Patrick Mahomes, nice. On this one, you can see my man Cody B at the top for the PC from the National VIP. And Estevan Florial, have no idea who this guy is. He's a Yankee. And that's also National VIP. Rising Stars Dalvin, Jai Henry, Lockett, Dola Collins, and Andrew Luck. All right, a lot of stuff from them, so I appreciate you guys. Mike and Joe, 116, thanks so much. That'll be it for this one. The next one I'll probably come back with is the box opening of the 2017 Prizm Retail. See if we can find some red or blue in there. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and take care, everyone.